Welcome to our step-by-step guide on installing Windows on your PC. Whether you're building a new computer or refreshing your current one, this tutorial will help you install Windows with ease. Let's get started. Before we begin, here's what you'll need: a PC that meets the system requirements, a bootable USB drive with the Windows installation file, and a valid product key for activation. If you don't have the installation media yet, don't worry. We'll cover that in the next step. First, visit the official Microsoft website and download the Media Creation tool. Plug in your USB drive and run the tool to create bootable installation media. Follow the prompts to select your language, edition, and architecture, then let it download the files onto your USB. Insert the bootable USB drive into your PC. Restart your computer and enter the BIOS or UEFI by pressing the key displayed during startup, often F2, DEL, or ESC. In the BIOS, set the USB drive as the primary boot device, save changes, and restart your PC. It will boot from the USB and begin the installation process. Installing Windows steps: choose language and preferences, select your preferred language, time zone, and keyboard layout, then click Next. Install Now. Click Install Now, and enter your product key when prompted. Select installation type, choose Custom. Install Windows only for a clean installation. Partition the drive, select the drive where you want to install Windows. If needed, delete existing partitions to create unallocated space. Then click Next. Installation process. Windows will begin copying files and installing. This may take several minutes. Your PC will restart several times during the process. After installation, you'll be guided through the initial setup. Sign in with your Microsoft account, configure your privacy settings, and customize your preferences. Finally, check for updates to install the latest drivers and security patches. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Windows on your PC. Remember to back up your data, keep your system updated, and install antivirus software for security. If this guide helped you, please like, subscribe, and share with others. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.